In this video, I'll be breaking down how my friend Natalie is making $50,000 per month with her online business. And she's making all of this income passively, meaning she can make money even while she sleeps. She's not bound to a laptop 9 to 5 every day. And with her site, she was able to pay off over $200,000 in student loan debt and set herself financially free. What's going on, everyone? My name is Dale from Create a Pro website, and today I'm going to be covering what is NatalieBacon.com, how does it make money, where is her traffic coming from, and how does she get that traffic. Now, this video is not sponsored by Natalie Bacon, nor will it ever be. I genuinely believe that this website is a great example of how powerful a website can be to change your life financially. So let's get started. So first, what is NatalieBacon.com? For the most part, it's a mix between a blog and a personal coaching website. It was created by Natalie Bacon herself. She had an impressive career as a corporate lawyer. She then shifted into being a certified financial planner and is now pursuing a career in life coaching with her website. She's helping women around the world, specifically moms, live a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. Natalie does a fantastic job of providing many different sources of free and paid content to her audience. She does this with 4 different parts of her website. The first part is her personal blog, where she offers articles on niche-specific topics like how to remain calm during pregnancy or how to stop being insecure in your marriage. She also publishes motivational posts, as well as decision-making guides and much more. The second part would be her podcast page. She has an archive of all of her episodes where you can choose from any one that you want. You can also read through the free transcript, check out other resources, and even listen to the full episode embedded on her website. The third part would be her weekly email list that she mentions on the hero section of her website. Every Thursday, she sends out a weekly email to help her audience feel a little more supported in their efforts to free up their time, reduce anxiety, and live every day a lot more purposefully. Building up an email list is an incredibly important part of any marketing campaign because it's just another way to promote products or services to your audience. You can see if we click on this blog post, 9 things new moms need to know, and we scroll down a little bit, she offers a short free course on how to become a more mindful mom, which can only be accessed by putting in your email. So she's offering something free in return for collecting emails. Lastly, Natalie also provides her personalized and intricate coaching programs with an extensive amount of resources and e-courses included in the package for a single price. Her potential clients can check them out on her website and immediately have access to all of these resources. Next, how exactly does her website make so much money passively? Well, it's mainly through selling her coaching programs and other digital products. For instance, she has a coaching program called Grow You that she lists at the top of her site. She offers this program for $79 a month, and there are only a specific amount of spots open at any given time. And that sense of urgency really helps customers get off the fence and purchase faster. She also mentions her Grow You program in her blog posts as well. The more places you can promote your product on your site, the better. In addition, she sells digital products like style guide templates, worksheets, and ebook templates that can all be downloaded instantly after purchase. So she never has to touch any physical product, and this keeps her expenses at a minimum. For example, if you scroll through her blog posts, you can sometimes find links to these digital downloads underneath the resources sections, where she even specifies download next to it. So next, where is her website traffic coming from, and how does she get that traffic? So obviously, she can't sell programs and products without large quantities of people visiting her website every day, and it has to be coming from somewhere. Well, lucky for you, she told me it's mostly from 2 different avenues. The first is Google search. So let's get into it. If we go over to similarweb.com and we type in her website, it will show us this data. If we scroll down, we can see a bar graph separating the different sources of traffic to her domain name. Direct just means anytime someone goes up to the top of the search bar and types in NatalieBacon.com directly. So this is usually going to be a lot of returning users. And then we have search, which is just how many times people came across Natalie Bacon's site on Google. Natalie has put a lot of effort into the SEO of her website. And for those of you who don't know what SEO stands for, it stands for Search Engine Optimization. We've got a whole video on the channel that explains how SEO works, so I'll link that down in the description. But here's a short example with her site. So if she wants to rank highly in Google for, let's say, how to relieve stress during pregnancy, then she's going to strategically work this key phrase into her blog post multiple times. like in the title, the headers, and the paragraph text. And of course, she's going to make sure to provide a lot of valuable information on this subject that makes people want to spend more time on her site longer. Google will pay attention to all of this data, and this is where Natalie is getting most of her traffic. Now, showing up in organic Google searches doesn't happen overnight. It can take months or even years to see results. But once you're ranking for specific keywords, you're bringing in money while you sleep. Lastly, you'll notice the social section, which are things like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and other social media platforms, which is making up about 22% of her total traffic. And she told me that she mainly uses Pinterest. She does this by creating pins like these, where she can show off her products or visually reiterate her blog posts. You can see she covers topics ranging from health and well-being to designing your dream life and even pregnancy tips. If you look at her Pinterest account overall, the color scheme is the same and it looks good. She does this by using big and bold text with her customized fonts, sometimes cursive, as well as a specific set of themed colors and images that pair well with the topic of the post. Whenever someone clicks on one of her pins, this will either take them straight to her blog post or straight to her website. Once the viewer is on her site, they're hers to market to. Alright guys, if you're interested in learning how to build a profitable website like this, just click on one of these two videos right here. You can also go ahead and check out the rest of our channel where we're constantly putting out tutorials on how to build professional looking websites from home with no web design experience needed. My name is Dale from Create a Pro Website. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.